Welcome to WebStarPlus. This is Trae. Website is Trae AI. It's an AI-powered code editor that is competing with Visual Studio Code. Ship faster with Trae. Trae is an adaptive AI IDE that transforms how you work. Available for Mac, Linux, and Windows, you can download it and use it for free, at least right now. Let's check out the intro. AI engineer partner, coding assistant, debug expert, project builder, web viewer, tech consultant. It's context aware, but for files from the workspace. Auto completes code. Compatible with VSCode plugins. Allows themes. Real AI engineer. The intro is impressive. Chat to build project faster. Now we have this capability in VS Code with free Copilot, and we can also use LLM from Ollama inside VS Code to chat with AI for free. So it's not that VS Code is lacking AI capabilities. ChatGPT free version is also capable to assist you in coding. We have to see how good this code editor is in terms of AI capabilities. Multimodal capabilities with image reasoning and image processing. Context aware. Smart completion. Get started for free. So this is free, but there is no company details here. And which AI is it using? Is it using ChatGPT? But that is not free. Then how are they offering free AI assistance? This is free code editor, but it is not open source. Let's download, install, and see how good it performs. After you download and install it, it will present with this UI. Here you can select the theme. They offer dark, light, and a deep blue theme. Select the theme and click continue. You can also import common settings from other code editors like VS Code. I'll click import from VS Code. You can also install Trae command for terminal. In order to use this code editor, you'll have to log in at Trae.ai. Right now they are offering free account. Login and open Trae. Login successful. And this is Trae code editor UI. At the left, we've got our workspace, and at the right side, we've got coding assistant integrated inside the code editor. They also have got extensions. You can install extensions manually. For the marketplace, they use OpenVSX Marketplace to install extensions. This code editor has got built-in debugger. Let's open a folder and bring some code inside the code editor. And here is a simple HTML page with some HTML elements and CSS. Let's use Trae Chat and ask something about this code and see how its AI handles this code. Explain this code. What is it doing? Code is a simple HTML page that creates a form with 2 input elements. So it has explained what this page has got, what kind of HTML elements are being used, and what kind of CSS is being used. It says there's a small error in this CSS. Field-sizing is not a valid CSS property. It should be box-sizing instead. This is strange. Field sizing is new property. And it denies. It says, no, field sizing is not a valid CSS property. You might be confusing it with box sizing, which is the correct CSS property used to control how the width and height of the elements are calculated. So we can also reference file, code, folder, or workspace in the prompt. However, you cannot upload file or folder. You can provide the reference for file and folder from opened workspace. Okay, I'm providing it URL from MDN about field sizing. Let's see what it suggests next. And it says the URL you provided appears to be incorrect or incomplete. There is no field sizing property in CSS. It is not documented on MDN because it doesn't exist as a valid CSS property. It insists that this CSS property does not exist. So field sizing is actually a CSS property It's a relatively new property. I have provided the web page URL, but Trae AI is unable to figure it out. And as you can see from the bottom right, it's using Claude 3.5 Sonnet. This is strange. I can start a new chat from here. I can see the chat history. Okay, let's ask. Give me JavaScript implementation of tic-tac-toe where user plays against computer. Let's see. How better is it in code generation? So it is fast and it has generated a full web page containing HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Speed is impressive. Okay, so let's ask same question from ChatGPT. Free version. ChatGPT is opening Canvas. So number of lines in ChatGPT's code are 72 for only JavaScript code. And Trae AI wrote 116 lines of JavaScript code. So code from ChatGPT was less than Trae AI. But let's see. Let's test this code. Let's see the output. Let's create a new file. And I can apply this code directly to that blank page. Let's see. And as I clicked apply, it started applying code to index.html, not in the file that I wanted. So let's close index.html and let's try again. No, it is opening index.html file and trying to apply that code there. I'll reject it. Let's rename the file to index.html and then apply the code. Here the code has been applied. So this is a good feature, but maybe it can be improved. Let's test the game. I like the UI. Draw. Draw. So the difficulty seems to be medium to high. I like the UI and design for this game that Trae AI generated. So that is good. Okay, this is Trae Builder mode. Here we can point to folder file for reference. You can use hash to specify code snippets, files, and folders for potentially more accurate answers according to Trae code editor. So if I type hash code, I can scroll through code from opened file. So this is the website, Trae.ai. It's got docs, community, but no about page, no contact information. Get started for free. Right now it is free, but it might cost you in the future because they are using ChatGPT-4o and Claude Sonnet 3.5. Here they have written, be the first to try Trae and enjoy the completely free option among powerful AI coding tools now. So let's ask that same question to ChatGPT. What is field sizing content? And its response is field sizing content is not standard CSS property. However, you might be referring to the width fit content or height fit content property. And if we enable search and then ask same question without the URL, then it can figure it out. Field sizing is CSS property that enables form elements such as input text area and select to automatically adjust their size based on their content. This is correct. So ChatGPT can figure it out. If we enable search, it can fetch and figure out latest information from the web. So ChatGPT is definitely superior here, and it is also providing the implementation of the code. So what kind of AI Trae is using? From bottom right corner, you can select from GPT-4o and Claude Sonnet 3.5. So if we change the model, let's say GPT-4o, it still can't figure out that CSS property. It still says property you mentioned is not a valid CSS property. So AI that is integrated inside Trae cannot fetch results from web. It cannot display updated information from the web. Can you browse the web? And it says, no, I cannot browse the web. I can provide information and assistance based on the data and knowledge I have been trained on up to October 2023. So this is really old data. So this AI is outdated yet. So there you go. That is Trae Editor, AI code editor with integrated AI assistant that can help you code better, faster. But it has got old AI and cannot browse the web. So what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in comments. Can this AI based code editor beat VS Code? What are your thoughts? Let me know in comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.